What's up, it's Mr.HighTech and welcome on my channel. Today we got another thing from AliExpress and I will show you right now what it is. This is a star and nebula projector. It projects light and even plays music from your phone via Bluetooth. Crazy, right? It's powered by USB-A if you see this, so you can plug it in so many different ways. I like to stay mobile, so I use a power bank. Plug it in, and it works. Take a look and make your own opinion about it. The smoke doesn't come from the device. I released it so that you can see the lasers better. Guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time, Mr.HighTech.